got to the mega track here in Hadong, and we're just kind of doing a first little walkthrough. First thing I see here is this fountain gate. I don't know. Let's see how this looks. I think they're fire hoses. Oh my god. I think they're checking to see if it's getting wet inside of the gate. Got these cool pylons here. Fly through those. What do you think?
Compared to this right here.
There's definitely water in the middle. This is gonna be cool though. This is like a big production. There's a carnival here. Tons of spectators already. We're not racing to start till 3, so let's get it.
Put your hands in the air. How you feeling out there? We gon' party over here. 모두 같이 sing it. Let me hear you say la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
So we just got done with our practice runs. Team multi-GP is looking good. The Koreans are looking very fast, so it's going to be tight racing. We're taking a little break right now. I think there's some boats coming into the harbor. So let's check out what we got here on stage. This is the tricopter. Look at this thing. Running actually the F1000, similar to F1000, 545 kV. It's got 6 of them. 4 in the front and then 2 in the back.
자, 혼영로 선수, 김재종 선수, 최준호 선수 준비되는 순으로 진행하겠습니다.
Cool.
In the air, hey. How you feeling out there? We gon' party over here. Hey. You got to see it. Let me hear you say la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I am a good boy.
right, that's a wrap. This was by far the craziest drone racing event I've ever been to. The production, the fans, the people, everyone was just amazing. They really appreciated, you know, the work we put into these big rigs, and they were, you know, just cheering for us during the racing. So it was a great time. See, the sun is setting on Hadong Harbor, so this one's a wrap, and had a great time. Thanks MultiGP, APD, T-Motor, Catalyst Machine Works, China Hobbyline, Foxier, GemFan, all you guys, Master Airs crew. Thank you for your support of X-Class, Mega Class, Big Drone Racing.